Most security systems on the market are either too complex and expensive or just flat out annoying and boring. Well, we're here to change that.
Introducing the Pytection alert system made with readily available off-the-shelf parts to keep costs down for everyone.
Unlike expensive commercial alarm systems, which are integrated into the door or part of a motion detection system, Pytection uses an optical transceiver to detect presence and contains a built-in touchscreen to allow users to interact with it.
The system also comes with a camera which can take photos and video clips of people who trigger an alarm. The system is not meant to prevent access, it is only used to detect unauthorized access. So having the pictures and video of someone who sets off the alarm is crucial for the owner to determine who isn't supposed to be there.
One example could be in a small equipment closet where a large or expensive alarm system would just be impractical. If someone either uses the key like they're supposed to, or kicks the door in or something, the optical sensor will power the relay, sending a signal to the Raspberry Pi controlling the system, and prompt the user for a passcode.
Once that passcode has showed up, the user either enters it correctly and ends the program, disarming the alarm, or if entered wrong 3 times or took longer than 30 seconds to enter it, well, you'll see.
The installer can either use the included ADX Maximus for small areas, or in the case of this install, wire to the building's amp room with line-level audio cable, driving a pair of SRX 718s, which lets everyone know that you really messed up.
It's not meant to be practical, just entertainingly practical.
If the passcode was entered wrong and the protection system kicked in, the board now has 5 new images on the desktop for the owner to go back and look at. Since the system is open source, anyone knowing how to change the code can add video functionality to it, take more pictures, change the test sound, or anything else.
Pytection Project, a low-cost alternative to alarms, just without the boring parts.